Everyone, I Raj, final year BTech Nuclear Engineering student, and your Parmanu Mitra is here with another video. As hydrogen economy is one of the important aspects world is focusing on. So in this video, I will going to tell how we can use nuclear energy for its production and also show one of the case study I have done on HydCalc software developed by International Atomic Energy Agency. Hydrogen. Hydrogen one of the smallest element in the periodic table, yet the most used in the whole world. From being used in chemical industries to the farms for the production of ammonia, hydrogen has a large and wide applications. India has also focusing on its hydrogen economy and has a large budget for adopting and for creating new technologies for the production of hydrogen. We can see that important headlines in many of the newspapers are based on the hydrogen economy. There are companies like Indian Oils, L&T and Renew which has been developing and creating new technologies for its productions. On the basis of which type of source we use, the classification of hydrogen production has been done. If we are producing it from the fossil fuel, it's called the blue hydrogen. If we are producing it from the natural gas, it's called the grey hydrogen. And if we are producing the hydrogen from the electrolysis using the nuclear power plant, we use as a pink hydrogen. It has been seen and it's a fact that a single 1000 megawatt of nuclear reactor can produce 150,000 tons of hydrogen each year. The basic procedure which we follows for the production of hydrogen using the nuclear power plant is the sulfur iodine cycle, and many of the SMRs and nuclear reactors adopt the same technologies. One of the most suitable reactor is the high temperature gas reactor for the production of hydrogen using the sulfur iodine cycle. Now I will tell and show how we can use the HydCalc calculator developed by the International Atomic Energy Agency for the hydrogen production. It uses predefined formulas and theories which we can see on their sites. It has a simple interface. So first we have to select which type of hydrogen production technology we have to adopt. There are many types like steam methane reformation, coal gasifications, thermochemical splitting, nuclear high temperature electrolysis. So first we take the nuclear high temperature electrolysis and have to select the feedstock price. So I have chosen $0.1 and now we have also to enter the amount and the unit of hydrogen. It can be in kgs or it can be in tons. I have filled 1000 kgs. It also gives the CO2 release, and we can see that for the production of 1000 kg of hydrogen, $4,000 has been required and the average CO2 release is 430 kgs. Now let us take another example. Here I have taken thermochemical water splitting using the sulfur iodine using MHR reactors, and same amount of hydrogen has to be produced, and we can see that it's half the price of the previous case, and the CO2 production remains the same, which is 430 kgs. Now let us see if we produce the same amount of hydrogen using the coal gasification. We can see that the price is half, but the CO2 release is just 5 times in the case of the previous. It's 430 kgs and here it's 20,000 kgs. We can also take or add CO2 taxes according to our demands, and we can calculate which amount of how much cost hydrogen is being required and what are the CO2 release. We can see and we can also see that how by adopting nuclear energy will not only helps for the sustainable development and for the production of clean environment and electricity, but also it indirectly helps the production of hydrogen. So by adopting nuclear power, we can also indirectly supporting the hydrogen production and supporting hydrogen economy. Thank you.